Right, welcome back. It's been what, 5, 6, 7 months, something like that. I haven't been doing YouTube in like so long, so I'm bored and there's been a lot of changes in that time. So what I've been cracking on with in the meantime, I haven't videoed it or anything, but I've got this goped. It's my dad's old goped. He told me that do I want to do it up. It hasn't been running for like 20, 25 years, something like that. The engineer thought it was seized, and obviously it weren't seized. I put a new piston in it, I cleaned it all up, painted the frame and everything, sanded down the deck, and I pulled it. I had a problem with the fuel tank as well because it kept leaking, so sorted that out. I had to file down a grommet that obviously caused the problem. Sorted that out, put the fuel tank back on, new lines, onto the carburetor, and pulled it. Nearly got started, and then it seized up. And yeah, I'll show you. But yeah, it's obviously seized up, and it might be, I know what it is. I think it's obviously, I've tried to replace the piston, tried to get a new one, but obviously the core pack won't go on the old, the new engine, sorry. The mounts wouldn't line up, so I had to swap it all over and go back to the original. Yeah, it weren't seized up in the first place. It was just like a couple of, marks down the side of the piston. Weren't seized at all. So pulled it apart, and yeah, it's just seized again because obviously I made a clip. I lost one of the clips for the wrist pin, and see that holds the wrist pin either side, and yeah, I lost one of them. So I thought I could make myself one. Which obviously when I make myself one, it clearly don't work. And I pulled it out. I've heard like a metal sound in the engine, and that's obviously something's catching, and it's not allowing the piston to move up and down. So yeah, I'll show you the goped now and see what you think. But yeah, I still need to sort the front end out, the stem and everything, and because it keeps wobbling. I've replaced the bearings and everything, but it's still not having it. So I'll show you and yeah, see what you think. Right, so here we are. Here's the goped. It's the goped Sports. It's one of the originals. Velocity stack. I've got an air filter, which is somewhere. Oh, it's there. Got an air filter. Goes on the end of it. Sorted the fuel tank out. It's not leaking, and yeah, my next project is I've got to, take this apart, take it all off again. So yeah, that's basically where I'm at. Sanded down the deck. It's just annoying because I've got to figure this out. Look how much it wobbles. It's not meant to do that. Definitely not. And this is obviously leaking like mad. I don't know if there's a few under there. Nah. It's just well greasy. Don't know, but yeah, sort it out this weekend. It's got a couple of chip marks at the back, so yeah, I just need to literally pull it apart. Core pack still works after all that time, which is surprising. That surprised me really, because I literally thought that nothing worked because it's been left and abused, well, neglected, that's the right word. So yeah, I'll show you some pictures beforehand on what this used to look like. And I've literally gone over everything with a scotch pad. All the brakes, if you can see the brakes, old clamp brakes. And yeah, literally gone over everything with a scotch pad. Just to like clean everything up basically, yeah. Clean everything up. And it's looking clean. Getting there. Oh, ow. And this is my dad's Honda. This is my hot dad's Honda. It literally does 70 miles per gallon. Obviously I've videoed this. This is what project I was going to go into, but I lost interest. But yeah, I should have filmed it for the YouTube channel. And basically got to recharge the cells in the battery. And yeah, hopefully it should nearly be there. It's cleaned out everything. looking clean. So yeah, I'll get a couple of videos this weekend of me pulling the engine apart, and I'll chop it all up, put it in clips. So yeah, just need to get used to this YouTube thing again. I've literally just been dossing for the last 5-6 months. Just been doing nothing, lost interest in YouTube, and I feel like, you know, these projects is what moves me forward. I get bored otherwise, and this is what I'm interested in. This is what I'm really interested in. So yeah, I got loads of there's so many projects that obviously my dad can pass over to me and I can do up in my spare time. So yeah, it's a win-win. And yeah, if you like this video or channel, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next clip. Thanks for watching. So it's the next day, and I've literally got to clear all this stuff because there's no room to work at the minute. I've got to sort out my my bike. It's not really rideable at the minute because of the back brake. I was telling you that obviously I needed like a bolt for my back brakes, because obviously when I press the back brake, it would just end up coming off the bike and ripping the hose off the brake caliper. So got to sort that out, and I've got the bits for it. I had to order some new, just a new set of bolts up. Yeah, so I can sort that out. The oil is all leaked out, so yeah, I don't know whether to get a new gasket for it or, you know, see if that solves the problem. And then I've got to sort the front one out as well, because the brake has got too much pressure on it, too much fluid, so I've got to re-bleed them again. And then yeah, hopefully this won't take all day, but you know, we'll see. Head on the other hand, it's leaking oil, so that grommet didn't work in the end, and I've got to take this apart as well. So yeah, we'll crack on with the bike first, but yeah, I've ordered some bits up. I've got to wait for the clips to turn up for the piston. So yeah, I've had to order new clips and piston again. Yeah, as I said in the last clip, I tried to put a new piston with the old barrel, if you know what I mean. Yeah, tried to put this one in, and it would not go in. Right size and everything, it just wouldn't go in. I'll try to, you know, grease it up. I've got some grease somewhere. That's it. Try to grease it up. Still nothing. So yeah, I've and then the coil mounts, which are here, that one, and there's one down there as well, went to line up on the new one, which is here. Went to line up. These coil mounts wouldn't align with the old one. So yeah, couldn't do anything about that, and just hope there's not much damage. I haven't made much damage, so we can only tell when I pull it apart, and I need to sort this out. I just can't find one. Just can't find a grommet for it, which obviously it's like it's just a little seal basically, and it's for the return. So yeah, they're used in like washer bottles in cars. So I'll see if I can find one. I'm not really too sure, because I don't really do. I'm trying to do a bit of research on it, but still can't find anything really. Got to clear all these weights and everything on the floor. Bags of rubbish. Got to clear all that out, and then obviously get my bike, take the cover off, stuff like that, and then yeah, see what we're working with. But hopefully it won't take too long. So yeah, let's get cracking. So in this clip you're seeing here, I thought I ordered the right bolts for the brake caliper, and yeah, I clearly didn't, because, you know, I think they were for a newer KX85, where this one's only a 2001, so yeah. I've just cleaned the bike, and it needs a new inner tube for the back, a couple of bolts missing, The engine keeps leaking oil, so I'm gonna have to get some like sealant to like obviously seal the crankcase cover, and then the choke as well. It's not idling properly because obviously I try and pull the choke off, it just goes straight back down. I need to sort that out. The front brake is, it's got so much pressure on, but it still works. The back brake needs fixing. Other than that, she runs fine. And yeah, just literally giving it a good clean. Looks good. Right guys, so this is gonna be my next project, and we are literally got a boat to do up, right? It's gonna be a big challenge, and it's basically a Honda Sport. It's got a V6 Granada engine in it, 3 litre Essex. It's completely fucked. The bodywork needs doing, the fiberglass needs like a new panel down the side, and yeah, trailer, the tyres on it need to be pumped up. Yeah, the seats need doing up again. There's a lot of work to it. It needs new rubbers, stuff like that. So yeah, it's the engine, Ford Granada V6. Absolutely perished. All the rubbers need replacing. The ignition isn't working properly, and yeah, rad needs looking at. Needs to be rad and all that, and you know it still turns over, so that's indicating that nothing's seized. And then on the other hand, massive split here, as you can tell. Can't miss it. Needs replacing. Tyres need pumping up. Trailer needs a good looking at. And the jack doesn't spin, or the propeller. I'm not really clued up on these. I need to do a lot of research, but yeah. So that's basically where I'm at. Big project underway. Not quite, but these are the seats. They're absolutely been eaten by all sorts. Ants have got in there and literally eating all the carpet. We had to take all the carpet out and everything. So yeah. Yeah, loads of oil. Come back. I'm literally gonna try and take this goped apart and just get the new piston turned up today. So let's get the new clips in. Hopefully, well, I'm assuming this is what it is. So yeah, I'm gonna get the clips out, install the new clips in either side of the piston, and then yeah, I've just got to take it apart. I'm just in the middle of, you know, I'm taking the fuel tank apart. Yeah, I've got to pull the carb off and the air filter or the velocity stack, and then yeah, see how it goes. So I'll put you on my tripod, and then yeah, see how it goes. I know what's happened, but I found this little clip here. See where that bulge mark is, that little imprint in the corner, which is like this side. Yeah, it's kind of making a massive mark, because obviously I've tried to pull this and it just obviously got jammed, it seized up, and that is not good. I just pulled that out of it. So yeah, other than that, the piston looks alright. Just hopefully on, I don't know, it just doesn't lose power. So I'm gonna put it back on, and yeah, see what happens, because I don't think it's come off that clip in there. I don't know if that clip's come out. So I'm gonna leave it there. Thanks for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please hit that subscribe button, and obviously like the video. And yeah, I'll notify you in the next video regarding the pull cord on the goped. It's obviously snapped and I can't pull it properly, so I managed to put it all back together. And if I didn't get a video of that, I managed to put it all back together. And yeah, it still turns and everything. It just didn't want to turn. I don't know whether I put sealant around the edge, because obviously the gasket was cracked or split, so I had to get some sealant and put it around there. And yeah, sorted that problem. And yeah, it's just waiting on the pull cord. I haven't ordered it yet, but I don't know when. I'll probably order it today or something. So yeah, that'll be the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one.